So the other day I was on my Facebook page and somebody who I follow, they recommended a new app that I thought like, yo, this could be really cool for a lot of people looking to earn some extra cash. This could be a dope ass side hustle. All right. So the name of this app is called Quick, Qwick. Now what this app is, it basically allows people to sign up for it and make themselves available to work different shifts in their area. Now, you might be thinking, shifts, what kind of shifts, right? Well, Quick offers a whole bunch of different job opportunities. So anything from, helping setting up for different events, anything from general labor, banquet help, restaurant help, as far as dishwashers, bartenders, servers, anything in that area. You can make yourself available and literally work that shift and get paid the same day. All right. How cool is that? Very, very simple, straightforward. All you need to do is, if you want an Android, go to your Google Play Store, download Quick. You'll see the app. Or if you are at the Apple, go to the Apple Store, download the Quick app. Once you get it, you got to create an account. Once you create your account, they're going to ask you for some work experience, how many years you've done this, what do you do, any certification that you might have, as far as even licenses, as far as bartending, anything like that. You're going to put all that information in. Once you get all that set up, you're going to have to do a short orientation, right? It walks you through, how Quick work, what's expected of you, and blah, 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 blah. You know the deal, right? Once you create your account, fill out all the information, do your orientation, you'll be available to work. At this point, you can start receiving different shifts and you can decide whether you want to accept them or pass on them and wait for another opportunity to come up. So it's very straightforward, and it's to me, a cool way to be able to earn some extra cash pretty much anytime. Right? Like these opportunities could pop up anytime. And if you're hurting for money, you might be like, ding, can you be a dishwasher for 8 hours tomorrow? You could be like, hell yeah, accept, right? That easy. One thing that I seen on the website, they said you could get paid one thing I seen on the site is you could get paid as fast as 30 minutes after your shift is up. That's why I said you literally could get paid the same day you work, and you can take as many shifts as you want. If they offer you different shifts, you can accept. You could do 5, 6, 7 shifts a week if you want. Maybe you only want to do one. It's up to you. All right. So I think this is a cool side hustle, a great way to earn some extra cash. Now, right now, there are opportunities in all of the major cities in the United States. So you can just apply and see if there's any shifts available in your area. If they're not available for it right now, maybe in the future. So you might want to keep your Quick account if there's no jobs available for you right now. I almost forgot, one thing that is really cool about the Quick app opportunity is you actually get paid $100 bonus right after completing your first shift. All right. So say, for example, you do a shift, right? You do a dishwashing gig, right? And you get paid $100 for that day. Your first shift as a Quick worker, you're going to get $200. All right. So, I mean, jump on it. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, looking for a side hustle, I think this is super cool. So check it out. So comment below and let me know if you got hired by Quick, if you did any shifts, and how was your experience. Share it with other people that watch this video. All right.